TJ, what are you eating? What are you eating? What's that? TJ, what are you eating? What are you eating? Can I have some? Can I have some? Is that your cell phone? Is that your cell phone? What you eating? Thank you. What you eating? Yum yum? Yum yum. Yum yum. That lumpia? It's lumpia? Yeah? Is he good? Can I have some? Can I have some? No? Can I have some? No? Here. Are you done? Are you done? It's good. Can I have some? No, not for your cheeks. Can I have some? Thank you. I thought I can have some. Yeah? Yeah? Ew. Ew. Can I have some? Can I have some? Yeah? No? Ooh.
Okay, team, let's find that last shell.
Yum.
After the laundry room, Emily and her dad took the elevator
Is he good? Yeah?
down to the building, walked over the bridge at Frog Pond, and got to school.
Thank you. Thank you. Pound it. Pound it. Pound it.
To get out of the building,
TJ.
we need to go to floor number 1.
TJ.
Which button is
TJ,
it?
pound it. Pound it. Pound it.
Yeah, that one.
Yay! Pound it. Pound it.
Going down.
Nowhere?
Let's count.
All done?
6,
All done?
5,
All done?
3,
All done?
1.
No more?
To Frog Pond.
Say bye. 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 Good girl.